Hello viewers, welcome to Corporani. Online grocery admin app SwiftUI inside. Today we need to see this here the promo code add, edit and delete, so need to see here. First of all, so need to make here the UI for the add promo codes. Now need to create here the new files and to select this here the SwiftUI view and need to give this here the name promo code add view like this, create here. And now need to copy here the adds on you, need to copy here the all data, needs here, and now need to paste inside the add promo codes like this sets. Now need to find out here the ZVM to replace with here the PVM like this, replace also need to call this here, and also need to set here the zone view model to need to convert here the promo code view models like this sets here, and then after need to change here the titles. If edits, then to write down here the promo code edit, and if you add, then to add new promo codes need to like this change here the titles. And then after so need to configure this here the UI titles, need to set here some text fields, so need to add here. First of all, so need to set here the code, and we need to write down here title as a promo code, and now need to set here press enter promo code, and also need to change this here the txt codes, and also need to make here the conditions. If is add not edit is not evm dot is edit not, then to show this here the promo code text fields, otherwise not show. And now need to create here the another text fields for the titles, need to set here promo code titles like this. We need to write down here the titles and to set here promo code title, and also need to set here the txt title. Then after need to create here the descriptions, we need to set here, and now need to copy and to paste this here promo code descriptions, and to also change this here the txt descriptions like this, write down here. Then after now need to copy and to paste this here, and now need to set here the promo codes offer price. Now need to copy and to paste here promo code offer price, enter offer price like this, set here the titles txt offer price, and also need to set here the keyboard types, need to set here the number pad same as. Now need to copy and to paste. Now need to set here the minimum order amount, mean order amount like this, write down here, and to also need to write down here minimum order amount like this, titles here set here. Now need to write down here, change this here the txt mean orders amount. Again now need to copy and to write down here the another text fields, need to set here the maximum discount amount, and we need to write down here the max discount amount, and now need to set here txt max discount, need to set here like this here the configures, needs here and to configure this here. Now need to set here the types UI, need to develop here. First of all, now need to copy here the text fields UI, need to copy here, and now need to set here after the before's offer price, need to write down here the titles promo code title, promo code types, need to set like this titles, and now need to remove here this text fields, and now need to set here the horizontal stacks. Now need to set here buttons, and now need to set here the pvm dots selected types equal to set here the 0, Now need to declare here the image and titles. Need to set here the system names. If pvm dot selected types equal to 0, then to show this here the radio buttons. Now need to set here and to set here the foreground color, primary app colors like this sets here, and to configure this here. Now need to set here the image names, record dots. Need to call this here the circle and only circle like this sets. Now need to set here the text fields, copy here and to paste this here. Now need to set here the titles as a fixed. Same as now need to copy and to paste here and to set here type 1, also type 1, then to set here. Now need to set here the percentage, brackets inside percentage like this sets for this type here. Now we need to set here the fixed height, so need to set rem, set here the height, and we need to set here the 15s like these settings are the needs here. Now need to develop here the start date selections and end date selections. Need to develop here. First of all, now need to copy here this UI and need to paste this here. Now need to set here the titles, select start date and remove here, no needs. Again, now need to copy and to paste this here. Now need to write down here the end date. It is set here the titles. Then after need to develop here the speakers. Need to write down here speakers and to set this here the title, select date. Now need to set here the selections $pvm dot selected start date, and then after need to set here the in dates dots need to start with current date to start like this. Need to set here conditions and to set here the display component as a auto date only like this configures. Then after need to set here the styles. Need to set here the picker styles as a automatic, so need to set here like this configurations are the needs for the selection date. Now same as now need to copy here and to paste this here. Now need to set here select and dates like these configurations are the needs for the this UI. And now need to configure this UI inside the view models and to uncomment this code's background and to clear here no needs. And now need to set here promo code, add view, and also need to like this here. Now this all codes are the done. So need to add, update, delete. So need to test here inside the simulators. Now need to run these codes inside the simulators. Now project builds are the done. Now need to go inside the account, select here the promo codes. Now need to click on add buttons and to show this like here. Now need to create here the new promo code test 20, and now need to set here the titles test 20% PR like this. Need to write down here and to description and subtitle set here the descriptions like here. Now need to select here the dates 28 and also need to set here the 29s like this sets for the end offers. Now need to not showing here the selections, need to make here the mistakes, need to fix this here. Go inside that promo codes and now need to copy here and record circle, typo here maybe. Now we need to set here the fix and need to set here offer price as a 10, and now need to set here the minimum amounts. Need to set here the 10 and maximum discount need to set here the 15s. and now click on ads, and to promo codes add successfully need to gets and also need to gets here inside the list. Now we need to fix this here the UI, need to set here the right sides, need to configure this UI. Now need to go inside the UI promo codes row, need to go here promo codes common UI inside, find out here the promo code cells, maybe not put here, set here the space like here. So now need to restart again. Now go inside the account, select here promo codes and to get like this here, click on edits and to showing this here the radio buttons. Now fix this here like this, and also need to change here the titles. We are not edit here the codes because if you change then to delete and create new codes, this is procedure. And before so need to, if you promo code is started then to not modify, need to get here the fail errors. Now need to click on updates and two promo codes update successfully like this message, need to returning here and to update here the also list. Now need to click on deletes and to promo code deleted successfully like this message, need to prints and to service calls are the done here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.